Welcome to DigitalBix Fashions. Floral is by far the most suitable print for the summer season, and if you wish to be in sync with the ultimate summer vibe, you can wear this to parties, a casual outing, and work by styling them differently and choosing the right option. Here are the best 5 floral dress for you. Number 1. Cold shoulder floral dress. The dress has ruffled detail on the cold shoulder pattern along with a vibrant floral print. It is apt for casual outings and parties. The straps of this dress set a unique style quotient for you to steal the show. Number 2. White floral dress. The vibrant class of colors with a hint of pink, yellow, and blue makes this shade tropical floral dress an edgy style statement. Floral prints in this combination reflect a show personality. Number 3. Black shift floral dress. Black floral dress with a vibrant and floral print presents a classy look with an added sass. Blend in the tropical cowgirl vibe with fringe detail accessories. This attire is perfect for a casual party with your friends or a date night. Number 4. Pink A-line floral dress. Exude a lady like elegance in this A-line dress. This pink floral dress with an earthy leafy pattern gives a pleasant yet gorgeous appearance. Indulge in some self-pampering and wear it on a romantic date night or a day out with your special someone. Number 5. Blue Maxi floral dress. The sleeveless round neck maxi light blue dress in a soft floral print. It is the ultimate attire for a beach party, a nice evening stroll, and even on a casual day out. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. DigitalBix Fashions.